Hello everyone and welcome back to my Lightway YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing some valuable insights that we know you'll enjoy. Sit back, grab your favorite drink and let us get started. Today's video talks about navigating life's transitions with grace and ease on Maya's life. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us go to the video soon. In a vibrant coastal town, there lived a young woman named Maya. Maya had always been drawn to the ebb and flow of the ocean, finding solace and inspiration in its rhythm. She saw life as a series of waves, each bringing new opportunities and challenges. One day, Maya found herself standing at the edge of a vast precipice, the edge of a major transition in her life. She was filled with a mixture of excitement and trepidation as she faced the unknown. It was a pivotal moment that would shape the course of her future. As Maya looked out at the vast expanse before her, she remembered the lessons she had learned from the ocean. She realized that navigating life's transitions required a similar sense of grace and ease. She knew she had to embrace the changes that lay ahead and flow with the currents, rather than resisting or clinging to the familiar shores. With a deep breath, Maya took her first step into the unknown. She trusted in her own strength and resilience as she embarked on a journey of transformation. She understood that transitions were not meant to be feared but embraced as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. As Maya navigated the ups and downs of her transition, she encountered moments of uncertainty and doubt. But she remembered the wisdom of the ocean. The waves may crash against the rocks, but they always find their way back to the shore. She embraced the lessons that came with each challenge, knowing that they were stepping stones towards her personal evolution. Maya sought guidance from wise mentors and sought solace in the support of loved ones. She realized that transitions were not meant to be faced alone but were opportunities for connection and collaboration. She surrounded herself with a network of support, seeking advice, encouragement, and inspiration. In the midst of her journey, Maya discovered the power of self-reflection and mindfulness. She took moments to pause, to listen to the whispers of her heart, and to connect with her inner guidance. She learned to trust her intuition, to make decisions aligned with her values and aspirations. As Maya surrendered to the flow of her transition, she noticed a remarkable shift within herself. She became more adaptable, resilient, and open to new possibilities. She embraced the beauty of the present moment, finding joy in the journey rather than fixating solely on the destination. Maya realized that transitions were not linear but cyclical, like the tides of the ocean. Just as the waves retreat and return, life's transitions were a natural part of the ebb and flow of existence. She understood that embracing the cycles of change with grace and ease was the key to finding harmony amidst the shifting currents. As Maya emerged from her transition, she looked back with gratitude and forward with anticipation. She had grown wiser and more courageous through her journey. She had learned to navigate the storms and celebrate the calm waters. Maya had discovered that the power to navigate life's transitions with grace and ease resided within her. Maya's story became an inspiration to those who faced their own transitions. They saw in her the embodiment of resilience, adaptability, and unwavering faith. Maya encouraged others to embrace change, to trust in their inner strength, and to see transitions as opportunities for self-growth and personal evolution. And so, dear reader, remember Maya's story as a gentle reminder that transitions are not to be feared but embraced. Trust in your ability to adapt and flow with life's changes. Embrace the lessons, seek support, and cultivate self-reflection. With grace and ease, you can navigate the tides of transition and emerge stronger, wiser, and ready to embrace the next chapter of your remarkable journey. Thank you for watching our video and making it all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed today's insights and learned something new. If you like to contact me, Facebook and Instagram link in channel description. We also want to hear what you think, so leave us a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.